This demo highlights how HexaSync syncs order data from Haravan to Pancake POS. We have 3 dashboards on the screen. Firstly, you can see the Haravan dashboard, where the business owner manages the data from the online store. The second tab is Pancake POS, a popular sales and inventory management software. And the last tab is the interface of HexaSync. HexaSync is a middleware that helps to integrate data between systems. Now, let's create a new order in the Haravan dashboard. From the Haravan dashboard, click on Orders. Then click on Create New Order. Choose the products you want to buy. Fill in the information of the customer such as name, contact information, and shipping address. Then choose a shipping method. Finally, click on Create New Order. As you can see, the order has been created successfully. Remember, the order ID is 100097. Now, move to the HexaSync dashboard and check the order. Here, we will know whether the order data was pushed from Haravan to Pancake. Click on the Sales Orders task of the Haravan and Pancake profile. Enter the order number to check the order. Click on Search. Once the destination ID is updated, we can ensure that the order is successfully pushed to Pancake. Remember the destination ID to confirm the order information in Pancake. Now, go to Pancake and verify the result. Search orders by the order ID. As you can see, the order has been synchronized to Pancake. Click the ID to see more information about the order. You can see that the product name, total cost, and customer information are all the same as the information of the created order. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the following videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, give us a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hexa. Connecting application. Automating processes.